Hi, it's Alaska Granny. Somebody was telling me about this washing machine trough hair removal cleaner floating filter to catch the lint in your panda. And you actually tie a string to this gadget and drop it into the washing basin where the washing is actually going on, and it gathers up the hair and lint during the washing cycle. Then you just go down in this little bag and you pull all the lint out when you're done for less than $3. And maybe if you look around if you have like Oriental markets or dollar stores, you might be able to find something like that there. I've never seen it before, but somebody recommended that it would work, and so I thought I would pass that tip on to you. So look for the washing machine trough hair removal cleaner floating filter. If you can remember that name, you're doing great. Let me know if you find this, where you find it, and if it works for you. And please subscribe to the Alaska Granny channel. Have a wonderful day.